What's up everybody? Continuing with my metal casting and blacksmithing adventures. Today I want to try a new oil burner design I've been working on recently. This fire, small fire you can see over there, is used to produce hot embers, which I later insert in my forge. I will use the same forge as in the previous video. You need to preheat the forge to about 500 degrees centigrade, if I remember correctly, to light a oil fire. But if you have a source of compressed air, you can light it instantly, because the atomization is much better when using compressed air. Anyway, I'm not saying that charcoal is bad, but melting bronze is a bit of a headache with the charcoal, since you need to constantly add more charcoal, and with an oil burner you just turn it on and let it run. So yeah, let's take a look at how I built this design. So I started out by gathering the necessary parts. I decided to use this thing that's used to spray paint. As you see, here goes the reverse vacuum cleaner, and this is the tube where the fuel is. I attach the plastic tube, and this goes to the oil container, which in this case will be a 2-liter Coke bottle. And this narrowing of this tunnel creates a better suction and mixes the oil with the air much more efficiently. So at first I used the setup like this, just a wooden pole with few holes drilled along its length, and I put this screw in so that it can hold this oil reservoir, and the temperatures are not high enough, so the oil is too viscous, and gravity alone is not enough. The oil will just dribble down into a mess, and so I had to come up with an alternative. Okay, since I can't use the big reservoir, I will have to give gravity feed another try. This is how this setup looks like. This is a blower, 200 watt, old Yugoslav made blower. Alright, everything is set up. The forge is well preheated. Let's add the oil and let's see if it burns. Now this is oil power, a distinct roar and a bright orange flame. We did it! The power of waste cooking oil will probably melt bronze in 10 minutes. Coke bottle as a reservoir, cheap blower in the ground forge. Doesn't get better than that. And as you can see, the consumption is very low. Just beautiful. And besides, I have lots of oil and animal grease left over that I don't know how to dispose, so this is the best way. Melting metal and recycling waste oil. However, I'm using only cooking oil.